Hello everybody, Brian here, back again with another trade recap video. I apologize for not making them on Monday or Tuesday. My girlfriend was over here and she was doing work pretty much all day, so I didn't really have time to record a video. Um, but a little update, Monday was break-even day, and then yesterday was a red day. Um, so yeah, that's just where we're at on the week. But anyway, as always, best and worst trade to the day. I'm actually gonna go over three trades today because two of them were pretty much the same, or not the same, but they were both very good. I'm happy with them. And then obviously I had one bad trade, so that'll be my worst trade of the day. So like always, starting with the worst one of the day. It was on CCL. Um, let's see. So CCL was up in pre-market, and then it had a nice rip up in the first 2 or 3 minutes, and then immediately sold off down to the lows. And then it was kind of just bouncing around. It got up to VWAP again, got through VWAP, came back down to VWAP. Um, and so um, at this point, it could have went either way. When I was looking at it, but in my head, I was like, let me show you what I saw. So here, right before I entered, this is what I was looking at. Uh, so these topping wicks, I said it to myself in my head right before I took the trade. I was like, I don't like these topping wicks. I don't think this is a long. I shouldn't get in here. But um, like like all these had topping wicks. Even like over here, they had them. Um, but what did I do? I took the trade anyway. It was it was pushing up past this 1560 level. Um, Relatively high volume compared to what the previous bars. Just zoom out a little bit. It was a lot of greens printing. Uh, but yeah, this was just a typical false breakout. I mean, I got in at the break of the this level right here, 1560. There's a um, big ask there. And I was hoping to get above this level 1566. And I thought if it did that, then we would break for high day. But um, as soon as I got in, it popped up a little bit and then immediately sold off. And I was like, all right, this is probably another false breakout, so I'm gonna get out with a small loss. Um, and I am glad I did because, as you can tell, it sold off. But um, actually, I'll do this trade now. I kept watching it, uh, and I eventually took another trade on it. And this time, nice little reversal. So I had this 1530 level. If you come over here, right here. Oops, that's really big. Right here, the pre-market low minus this weird print. I try and ignore those if that ever happens. But it was a pre-market low at around 1530, so I had it marked. Um, and yeah, I just watching. It couldn't really break below. I like this doji. I like that, and also, the typical kind of curling up motion. So I got in at the break of the previous candle's high, uh, or just a little above that. And then I rode this thing up towards. I believe I set a limit at. Hold on, let me see what this level is. At 1546, just because uh, that's where it bounced off of before. And as soon as I got filled, it sold off. Um, so I'm glad that's where I put it. Thankfully, I got filled. I was kind of slowing down at that point, so I was kind of questioning whether to get out or to wait for that 1440 or 1546 level. And I'm glad I did because it eventually got filled. But yeah, that was a good trade. What did it do for the rest of the day? Damn. So I bought pretty much at the bottom, and then it ran up for the rest of the day. But whatever. I stuck to my trade plan. It's fine. I'm happy with it. And then my other trade, I believe, was on Smile Direct Club. So let's get up in here. So someone in the chat room that I'm in, shout out Bearable Traders, called this out. So it ripped up in the open, and then it made a nice little consolidation, typical ABC pattern, ABCD. I mean, typical ABCD pattern. Buy the consolidation, stop loss below it, profit target, somewhere above. So I took it for the break. First candle make a new 1 minute high. I took it, so I entered at about I think it was 1271. Yeah, 1271. And then there was a big ask wall at 13, so I figured, that's a good profit, so I might as well just put a limit order at 13. Hindsight, I probably should have put it somewhere above 13 because usually, a whole dollar level big ask, it usually rips up past that, and it did. But I'm happy with this trade and how it turned out. What else? But yeah. Also, I saw this big volume when I did get out, and I was like, maybe that's another good sign to get out because usually that means for potential exhausting volume, and it could reverse after that, which it didn't really push up any higher. It kind of just or not, kind of just, I don't know, it didn't really make that big of a move afterwards. So good trade, happy. Green day, which is good after yesterday and Monday, break even and red day, so back on track. Hopefully close out the week strong. Again, I apologize for not making a video the past 2 days, but we back. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're watching this, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, hope you guys had a green day. If not, tomorrow's another day. Make it up. You got this. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.